Okay, now we're going to compute the following sum. Sine of A times sine of B minus C plus sine of B times sine of C minus A plus sine of C times sine of A minus B. There are many ways to solve this problem. We can expand the sine of B minus C and the sine of C minus A and the sine of A minus B and get the result. Okay, so this is one way. There is also another way that we can use here, but we need to remember that the sine of A times the sine of B is 1/2 cosine of A minus B minus cosine of A plus B. Okay, here when we apply this rule here, we need to know which one is A and which one is B. In this first sum here, or in this first product, A is A, but B is B minus C. Here, B is A. This A here is B, and this B here is C minus A. And here, A is C, and B is A minus B. Okay, so let's use that. Okay, and when we do this, when we expand or when we try to simplify these sums, we always have this 1/2 in the front. So we're gonna keep it. So we're gonna apply this rule to all these three sums. So that's why we're gonna have to keep this 1/2 in the front. So our A will be 1/2 that we're gonna keep in the front. Now we use our rule. We have the cosine of A minus B plus C minus cosine of A plus B minus C. Remember what I said about A and B here. Here A is A, but B is B minus C. When we use this rule, note what's A and what's B. Here, our A here is B, and our B here is C minus A. Therefore, we have plus cosine of B minus C plus A minus cosine B plus C minus A plus cosine of C, which is A in this case, cosine of C, which is A. Okay, cosine of A minus B, that means C minus A plus B minus cosine of C plus A minus B. Okay, note here that in our rule, A is C and B is A minus B. Okay, now to simplify this one and make it easier, we're gonna write this one starting with A, B, and C in this order. Okay, in our case, we're gonna have the cosine A minus B plus C minus cosine of A plus B minus C plus cosine of A plus B minus C minus cosine of minus A plus B plus C plus cosine of minus A plus B plus C minus cosine of A minus B plus C. So I had to rewrite this expression, just reordering these elements, okay, to make it easier to see. Like in our case here, cosine of A minus B plus C, and here we have minus cosine A minus B plus C. This one will go with this one. And here we have A plus B minus C, the cosine of A plus B minus C minus cosine of A plus B minus C. This one will go with this one. They will become 0. And here we have cosine of minus A plus B plus C and plus minus cosine of minus A plus B plus C, which is 0. Therefore, we have 1/2 times 0, which is 0. Therefore, our sum A is equal to 0. Okay? The other way to solve this one is that, note that sine of b minus c is going to be sine of b cosine of c minus cosine of b plus times sine of c, and you multiply by sine of a. Okay, and we'll get the same solution. We'll get 0. Okay, it depends on what you like. Some people find this way of solving the problem easier. Others find that doing it this way by expanding these ones here and canceling the terms that are negative, or give the solution quickly. I don't know, but I don't know how to explain it. But so this is one way of solving the problem. Another way is to note that we can expand these values here and notice the ones that are symmetric or have negative value and cancel them. Okay, thank you.